Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss types of hybridization. So, how many types of hybridization? How they are formed? The complete information we are going to discuss in this session. Okay, na? So, the first one, types of the hybridization point of view. The major 4 hybridizations is there. Number 1, sp hybridization. Number 2, sp2 hybridization. Number 3, sp3 hybridization and sp3d hybridization. There are 4 important hybridizations are present here. sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d and sp3d2 also there. But basically first 4 hybridizations are more important. But now we are discussing how they are formed. sp hybridization, how they are formed, what are the examples, what is the shape of the molecule of the sp hybridization. If sp hybridization is completed now, what is the molecular shape, what is the bond angle, similarly how to form the sp2 hybridization. After completions of sp2 hybridization, what is the bond angle, what is the shape of the molecule, and also similarly sp3 hybridization completion now, what is the bond angle, what is the shape of the molecule. The complete information we are going to discuss in this class. So first of all, sp hybridization. sp hybridization na this kind of the hybridization involved only one s orbital, one p orbital. One s orbital, one p orbital involved in the hybridization. There are 2 new hybrid orbitals are formed. That is the most important. So one s one p are intermixing na, appo etini hybrid orbital is formed. 2 hybrid orbitals are formed. That is called one sp hybrid orbital, one more sp hybrid orbital. So one s orbital, one p orbital are intermixing na, 2 different type of sp hybrid orbitals are formed. So now this is sp hybridization is nothing but one s orbital, one p orbital are involved in the intermixing. Now, what is the sp hybridization? It is also known as diagonal hybridization or linear hybridization. Why? Because after completions of this hybridization, the molecular shape of the sp hybridization, it is a linear shape. That's why this hybridization name is linear hybridization or diagonal hybridization. So listen ma, sp hybridization is nothing but one s orbital, one p orbital are intermixing to form 2 different type of the hybrid orbital. One is sp, one more is also sp, 2 different type of hybrid orbitals. So this is known as diagonal hybridization or linear hybridization. Now here see carefully the definition. One s orbital combined with one p orbital to give two identical sp hybrid orbital. It's called sp hybrid orbital or sp hybridization. sp hybridization. So there are number of the examples are present in this hybridization. Now C2H2, BeCl2, beryllium dichloride, acetylene, carbon dioxide, carbon disulfide, mercuric dichloride, nitrogen dioxide cation species. So this allame to show the sp hybridization. So completely every example to show sp hybridization. Now we are going to discuss one example that is called beryllium dichloride example. Allame to show the sp hybridization, but the best example is the beryllium dichloride. How the beryllium dichloride molecule existed with the linear shape and 180 degrees bond angle. How the central atom of beryllium involved in the sp hybridization, the complete information we are discussing right now. So here beryllium dichloride, beryllium is atomic number 4, the beryllium atomic number 4. So configuration enna configuration 1s2 2s2, but 2p orbital there is no any electron, it's empty orbital. 1s2 2s2 irukku, 2p orbital empty da. But opposite beryllium ke opposite 2 chlorine atom is there. One chlorine atom atomic number 17 da. So what is the configuration? 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5. So in each chlorine atom electronic configuration, valency electronic configuration is 3s2 3p5 da. 3s2 3p5. According to the Hund rule point of view, 3s2 already paired electrons are there, and 3p5 point of view, total 5 electron. The 5 electrons are distributed in 3 subenergy level. Appo NiH. So first one, this is the px, py, pz. Px, py has paired electron, but pz orbital only one unpaired electron is there. Now chlorine total valency electrons are 7. Out of the 7, one unpaired electron is present here. So if you get one electron from beryllium, if you get one electron from the beryllium, it is a stable. But here how many chlorines are there? 2 chlorines are there. So 2 chlorines means each chlorine required 1 electron. Each chlorine required 1 electron. Upon 2 chlorines required 2 electrons. But in case of the beryllium, the configuration is 1s2 2s2. But in the valency shell, s orbital 2s2 completely paired. So completely paired, but there is no any unpaired electron. There is no any unpaired electron. Ipo beryllium lo unpaired electron kadiyadana, how they are donated the electron to the chlorines. So ipo beryllium do one thing. What is that? In the 2s orbital irukana, this one, yes, 2s orbital have 2 electron. Up is the ground state electronic configuration tambi. This is ground state electron configuration. Ipo beryllium at excited state NiH na, this one electron shifted to the px orbital. This one electron shifted to the px orbital. Inga ki shift aichi. One electron inga shift aichi na, apo inga s orbital have only one electron, p orbital has only one electron. Apo in the s orbital in the p orbital are intermixing the. Because of first they are arranged the unpaired electron in the orbital. They are arranged the unpaired electron in the orbital. After that involving the intermixing. So now the beryllium 2s2 2s orbital have 2 electron. In the excited state ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் ஜம்ப் டு த p ஆர்பிட்டல் 2px ஆர்பிட்டல். அப்போ இந்த s ஆர்பிட்டல்ல ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கு, 2p ஆர்பிட்டல்ல ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கு. அப்போ this is see carefully, this is s orbital 2s orbital, this is the 2px orbital or 2pz orbital. இது ஒரு s orbital, this s orbital, this p orbital from the beryllium. In the excited state, the 2s orbital share the one electron to the 2p orbital. அப்போ this is the 2s orbital, this is the 2p orbital, this s orbital p orbital are intermixing. Now see here carefully, this is the s orbital, this is the s orbital, this is the p orbital. Spherically symmetrical shape s orbital and dumbbell shape p orbital, dumbbell shape p orbital intermixing the. So this is s orbital, this is the p orbital, both of them is intermixing na. Appo finally two different type of hybrid orbitals are formed, where in the beryllium, the after excited state, the beryllium s orbital and beryllium p orbital are intermixing na. Appo see carefully, this is a horizontal line, dots is s, this lobe, big size lobe is the p. Appo idi oru sp hybrid orbital. Because of the in the sp hybrid orbital, s orbital are involved and p orbital are involved. Appo this is the hybrid orbital new. Ipo intermixing na two different hybrid orbital is formed. This is one orbital and this is the one orbital. So two different type of hybrid orbital is present here. So this is the beryllium. Now beryllium can form two different hybrid orbital. Two different hybrid orbital. This is one sp hybrid orbital. This is one sp hybrid orbital. After that what happened na, chlorine lo px py already pairs irukku, pz unpaired electron irukana, ஒரு pz orbital directly connected with from chlorine, pz orbital directly connected with ஒரு sp hybrid orbital in one direction, and one more side, one more chlorine pz orbital connected with beryllium, one more sp hybrid orbital. So right now beryllium can existed two different type of the hybrid orbital, ஒரு sp hybrid orbital, one more sp hybrid orbital. இப்போ two chlorine, ஒரு chlorine pz orbital connected with one sp hybrid orbital and one more chlorine pz orbital connected with one more sp orbital in the beryllium. Hence their bond formation. Now this is the chlorine pz orbital, this is the chlorine pz orbital, this one is the chlorine pz orbital. Now this is the one beryllium sp hybrid orbital, this is the chlorine pz orbital, this is the sp hybrid orbital in the beryllium. Hence finally they are formed the bonding. Here sigma bond, end on end overlap, sigma bond is formed. Here also end on end overlap, sigma bond is formed. Orally ஒரு sp hybrid orbital, one pz orbital form one sigma bond, one more direction, ஒரு sp hybrid orbital, one chlorine pz orbital to form one more sigma bond. Finally beryllium is the central atom, left side one chlorine, right side one chlorine. Now in the beryllium involved in the sp hybridization, because of after excited state, in s orbital one electron, p orbital one electron is there, both of them is intermixing na. Hence to form the two different type of hybrid orbital, sp hybrid orbital, sp hybrid orbital. So that sp hybrid orbital bonded with two chlorine atoms, one chlorine atom has pz orbital, one more chlorine atom has pz orbital. So from beryllium chloride, beryllium show two different type of sp hybrid orbital. Chlorine also exists, chlorine is also presented to pure orbital, pz pure orbital. So எல்லாமே beryllium, ஒரு beryllium, two chlorine atom, they can arrange the structure on horizontally, so it is according to geometrical point of view, this structure is nothing but the linear shape. So beryllium showing 2 sp hybrid orbital, each sp hybrid orbital bonded with one chlorine pz orbital, hence to form the 180 degrees bond angle shape, that is called linear shape. So that's why beryllium chloride can exist at the linear shape with 180 degrees bond angle. Now see here, bond angle the 2 sp hybrid orbital in an atom is 180 degrees. Next one, sp2 sp hybrid orbital will have s involved in the 50% and p also involved in the 50%. In the hybridization of sp, s orbital 50% involved and p orbital also 50% involved. And last and final point in the sp hybridization, the hybridization of sp generally existed the linear shape. Okay ma? So now right now sp hybridization enna or s orbital or p orbital are intermixing in the central atom of the beryllium to form 2 sp hybrid orbital. This 2 sp hybrid orbital bonded with 2 chlorine atom, hence they are formed linear shape with 180 degrees bond angle. So not only beryllium chloride nana, even C2H2, carbon dioxide, carbon disulfide, mercuric dichloride, elame they are showing to sp hybridization. Okay now the second hybridization, sp2 hybridization. Here sp2 hybridization enna one s orbital from the central atom, 2 p orbital from the central atom intermixing na appo one s orbital 2 p orbital na there are total 3 new hybrid orbitals are formed. One s orbital 2 p orbital are intermixing na there are 3 new hybrid orbital. There are 3 new sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed. So now the sp2 hybridization is known as the trigonal hybridization. This is called trigonal hybridization. Now in this hybridization already I said one s orbital combined with 2 p orbital to give 3 identical orbitals are called sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization, the bond angle is 120 degrees bond angle. The bond angle is the 120 degrees bond angle. Here 3 orbitals are involved. So s percentage is the s orbital percentage is the 33.3% and p orbital percentage is because of the out of 100 s percentage 33.3, p percentage is 66.7%. So p orbital more involved in the sp2 hybridization because of the 2 p orbital are involved in this hybridization. So now s orbital 33.3, p orbital 66.7. The central atom in a molecule having planar trigonal shape that existed. After any one of the molecule involved in the sp2 hybridization, that molecule showing planar trigonal shape with 120 degrees bond angle. With 120 degrees bond angle. The best examples are here BF3, boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, stannum dichloride, aluminum trichloride, benzene, elame to show sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Now here example beryllium trichloride. So boron trichloride, boron atomic number 5 the. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. It has only one unpaired electron. It has only one unpaired electron. It's ready to donate this one pair electron to other atom. But opposite 3 chlorine is there. Each chlorine required one electron. But basically boron have only one unpaired electron. Appo boron in the excited state from 2s orbital from the 2s orbital this one electron jumped into the p orbital. அப்போ s orbital lo ஒரு electrons இருக்கு, p orbital lo 2p orbital 2 electrons இருக்கு. அப்போ என்ன ஆச்சு, ஒரு orbital, இப்போ இது s orbital, this is 2p orbital. Okay ma? Now the boron at excited state from the s orbital, 2s orbital jumped one electron to the 2p. அப்போ p orbital, px 1 electron, py 1 electron, s orbital 1 electron. There are 3 orbitals are having 3 unpaired electron. Now these 3 orbital are intermixing. So for s orbital, this is 1 p orbital, this is 1 p orbital, எல்லாமே intermixing na, அப்போ 3 new hybrid orbitals are formed. 3 orbital are intermixing, after 3 new hybrid orbital is formed. This is one sp2 hybrid orbital, this is one sp2 hybrid orbital, this is one sp2 hybrid orbital. Now see here, this is one sp2, sp2, sp2. After that 3 chlorines, each chlorine pz orbital connected with each sp2 hybrid orbital. Now this one sp2 hybrid orbital, this is a p orbital, this is sp2 hybrid orbital, p orbital, sp2 hybrid orbital, p orbital. இப்போ sp2 hybrid orbital from the boron, ஒரு p orbital from the chlorine da. அப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு. So that's why my dear student, it is show the trigonal hybridization. Now 120 degrees bond angle. So the most important thing is, in sp2 hybridization point of view, ஒரு s orbital 2 p orbital are intermixing, they are form 3 different type of the sp2 hybrid orbital. After that 3 chlorine pz orbital connected with each sp2 hybrid orbital, finally they are existed the trigonal hybridization shape, so the bond angle should be 120 degrees. Okay ma? So in my next class we are going to discuss remaining hybridization concepts.